Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another unboxing. This time I will have a subscription a subscription box. Actually, in the next 3 videos I will have 3 of them. The first one for this video is gonna be my Birchbox for April. Then I will have the Sephora box, and the third video is gonna be Ipsy. So if you wanna see what I got in my boxes, please keep watching. And also, if you think that I'm showing up too often, because it seems like I'm posting every day lately, let me know and I'll try to accumulate all the unboxings in one video. Or the single problem for me is because I have problem editing and I'm trying to do the videos as short I can. So for today, as I said, I will have the Birchbox for April. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and there are 2 giveaways open right now on my channel. I'll leave the links down below if you want to check them out. And let's go ahead and see what's in my Birchbox. I will leave also the link for their site, just in case if you want to check them. And let me just... yeah, my phone is too far right now. I wanted to turn it off. Anyway, let's see what's in my Birchbox. Have to open this box. Okay, finally. Here is the box. I saw a lot of our unboxing about for this box, for Birchbox for this month, and I have to say that I really love the packaging. It's really pretty. And in my box, here is the card. And I do apologize for my nails. I didn't have time to do them. Anyway, in my box, this is the card, and it says here, "Feed your mind, body, and soul." So on the back we have the products, and here is my box inside. Not much to see, very small products. The biggest one in here, it's an Oribe product, which looks like this, and this one is Grandiose Hair Plumping Mousse. I think this one is an item that I chose in my box. As you know, you have the opportunity to choose a sample, so I went with this one. I like Oribe, whatever how you call it. I like their products, and also they are very expensive if you wanna buy them, so that's why I'm choosing them when they come as options. So this is my first one, and the price of this, it says amp up the volume with this Luxe Mousse that delivers crunch-free bombshell body work, golf ball size through damp hair, then scrunch, whatever, something like that. It's good for volume. I'm happy about this one. This is the first product. Then I see something green in here, and this one is, what's this? Whatever is this product. And this one is, I believe this one is from Botanic Beauty, Feeling Tame, if I'm saying right, brow gel. And also the Oribe hair product. This one in a full size is $39. So as I said, not cheap. I always choose them in the beauty boxes because I'm not gonna buy a full size anyway. Then we have this product, which is from Botanic Beauty, as I said, Feeling Tame Brow Gel in black. A full size of this is $12. And also says here, shape, define, and keep brow hairs in place with the lightweight aloe vera enriched formula that doesn't flake or fade. Brush to your brows using short, gentle strokes. So an eyebrow product. It's a gel. Always good to have it on hand, especially if you have fluffy brows like I have. I always use this type of product, so it's good to have it, at least to have a backup. And then I see here this guy, which is from Benefit, and this one is Bad Girl Bang, and this one is a volumizing mascara. I'm not gonna open the product, I'm just gonna show you the size, because some of the products are, as you know, are going to my giveaway box. And a full size of this is between $12 and $24. It's a volumizing mascara, lashes really for lift off. This gravity defining mascara creates major volume without weighting lashes down. Thanks for the formula's featherweight aero particles. So anyway, it's a Benefit product, a mascara, which is not bad. Then we have a product that I got a couple times recently. This is Dr. Lip Miracle Balm. A full size of this is this tiny guy. A full size of this, it's $16.50. So this one is this natural excuse me, this natural multi-purpose formula works to rehydrate skin and lips, shoot sunburns, and nourish thirsty cuticles. So it's a multi-purpose product. I got this before. I'm gonna leave this away for the giveaways, because I have one or two more samples like this. I heard Dr. Lip is a good brand, but I never tried, so maybe I will try mine in the samples of the week. Then we have the last product, which is from Clarins. It's multi-active day cream SPF 20. A full size of this is $54, not quite cheap. It says save a step with this SPF infused daily moisturizer with antioxidants to protect your complexion from UV damage, pollution, and other skin stressors that lead to signs of aging. I don't know if I post my Clarins haul. I don't think. I filmed it. I did the video for that, but I don't think I posted. It will come next. Not quite after this one, but anyway, soon. Here is the day cream. If you watch my channel, you know I like Clarins. I'm just trying a couple of their samples in this week, samples of the week, and I have to say that one of them is a really nice product, amazing. So that was all in my Birchbox for April. So far we got this day cream from Clarins, the Benefit mascara, the Oribe hair plumping mousse, we got the Dr. Lip multi-purpose balm, and the brow product. It's a brow gel from Botanic Beauty. So that's all for my box. If you have the Birchbox, let me know what did you got in your box. If you have a video for that, leave me the link down below, so I'll be glad to watch it, that. So far the box is really pretty this month, not every month, but I like the one this month. Thank you so much for watching. Also, I have the links for the giveaways in the description box. You guys have a great day. I'll see you soon with my next unboxing, which is gonna be Sephora Play. Again, you have a great day. Bye bye.